This is a necklace ordered by one of my customers. She wanted a necklace in Persian, her name, calligraphy, and so we made it for her. This is how it looks. So we do laser cutting your name in any language you want, Farsi, Arabic, English, Norwegian, whatever. And the material is stainless steel, gold plated, very high quality. You can take shower and it doesn't fade the color. It's super highly coated. We call it PVD wood field. You can have it in silver color. So if you want a name or any word, you can order to me. Another customer wanted a smiley ring in black and gold, so we made it for her. This is how it looks. It's very cute. So if you are a smiley lover, this is what we can make for you. This is also sterling silver, gold plated with a cute smiley in black. So she wanted in black. We made it in black for her. Now you know that if you have a jewelry wish, I am your genie jewelry, and just let me know